Socializing 39. In a narration found in Jami'a at-Tirmidhi, number 2305, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, indicated some important characteristics for Muslims to adopt. One of the things mentioned is that the sign of a true believer is being kind to one's neighbor. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, once connected belief in Allah, the Exalted, and Judgment Day to treating a neighbor kindly. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 174. This narration alone is enough to indicate the seriousness of failing to treat neighbors kindly. A narration found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 119, warns that a woman who fulfilled her obligatory duties and offered much voluntary worship would go to hell because she mistreated her neighbors through her speech. If this is the case for the one who harms their neighbor through words, can one imagine the seriousness of physically harming one's neighbor? Kindness involves aiding them in what is good, according to one's means, such as financial, emotional, and physical help. They must keep their verbal and physical harm away from them. A believer must avoid doing anything which could cause disruption and discomfort to their neighbors, e.g. loud noise. They must be patient and pardon their neighbors, as long as they do not cross the line, as Islam teaches humility without weakness. Simply put, one must treat their neighbor in a way they desire their neighbors to treat them. The next thing mentioned in the main narration under discussion is that a true Muslim loves for others what they love for themselves. It is important to show this practically, not just declare it through words. A Muslim must strive to aid others according to their means, such as emotional and physical help, just like they desire others to help them. This will cause them to obtain the support of Allah, the Exalted. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 225. Just like a person desires to succeed in both worldly and religious matters, one must aid others practically in achieving this also. The same way a Muslim would like their self and possessions to be safe from the verbal and physical harm of others, which is the characteristic of a true believer, according to a narration found in Sunan an-Nasai, number 4998. A Muslim must treat others in the same way. Behaving in this manner eliminates many negative characteristics, such as envy, enmity, and spite, and encourages one to adopt positive characteristics, such as gentleness, compassion, and tolerance.